I want to review a paper about erosion test 316 flying PBI. So in the abstract, we can see the corrosion test of stainless steel tube were done under flying PBI condition for 3000 hours at the 45 degrees C. Specimen were 316 stainless steel produced a tubing with from 13.8 mm of diameter, 2 meter thickness, and 4 centimeter length. So from this, the result derived from a stagnant corrosion in the test that the specimen surface become aroused and the corrosion rate was maximally 0.1 mm per 3000 hours. Mass transfer from the high temperature for the temperature was observed. The crystal ferrochromium was found in the tube surface in the low temperature region. The size of crystal was varied from 0.1 to 0.1 and to 0.1 millimeter. Depositing crystal were very grains in the chemical composition mass of ferro and chromium was 9 compare 1. So for the introduction, under the framework of Japanese Atomic Energy Research Institute of Energy Association Research Organization is a joint project and institution proton acceleration program. So from this plan, as the result attacking to the condension of a heat produced into the spallation process, but in PBI in the last container. The highest temperature of the target container was estimated to be around 450 degrees C at the flow velocity estimate about 1 meter per second. So the result of the material correction proved the test are reported in the order evaluated among the correction under the PUB condition during 3000 hours operation. For the experimental method, material for piping tanks that contact this bismuth are the loop made of type 3 session stainless steel. One of the purpose of the loop test in verify the durability durability of the material flowing high temperature bismuth, including mass transfer. So this is a chemical combination of the 316 stainless steel, and the tube oscillation heat was treated at 1080 degrees C for 1.5 millimeter and the cooled rapidly. So this chemical combination of PBI. When the charging lead bismuth into the test loop, we use the melting tank separated from the loop. Argon was added after introducing the bismuth based on the melting tank. The tank was heated to 150 degrees C. When the bars was melted, the liquid bismuth was pumped into the test stock. The quantity pipe the pressure argon gas. Oxygen concentration in CSPB was generally given this formula. So this according to the research in Russia, the oxygen content on the PUB room temperatures after 3000 hours operation was 1 cross 10 power minus mass percent. The saturation oxygen of the oxidation in the least bismuth operation temperature of 450 degrees C is calculated as 3.2 cross 10 power minus 4 mass percent. Oxygen was not actively controlled. The argon gas of 99.95 mass percent purify cover the source tank. What is a free surface? So this Jerry lead bismuth flowing from material portion or GLBL1. This geometric tubing specimen. So the flowing BBB come from this direction. And from the result, the lead bismuth and the rent tank circulation loop was covered by high purity argon was mentioned above. However, floating oxygen was observed into the survey PB in the source tank during the operation track. The observing window in this track was the oxygen concentration under the operation had reached into the saturation concentration that is 3.2 cross 10 power minus 5 mass percent. And lead bismuth did not leak from the test loop and no crack was found in the test tube. We can see this figure 3, the test tube after 3000 hours operation at the 450 degrees C. So we can see in this figure 4, this cross-section cell during ozone microscope. The last left is location at upstream, and this the question about downstream. Although they indicate the flow direction of PB flowing the channel. So the flow come from this direction. So in figure 5 shows the measure roughness on the insert tube of the same low material about 10 micrometer. Figure 6 shows the same observation on one of the hollows. It recognized the third layer was thickness of 20 micrometer size in the 316 only bismuth specimen right hand set. So this third layer was only can see in the bottom of the hollow. It was not can be seen in the surface or facing following PBI. So in this figure 6, the sign of plus is the number indicate the location point analysis. And this point analysis is nickel, chromium, ferro, Pb, EPMI location indicated by in figure 6. So in figure X show that oxygen exists in the third layer at the least. The oxygen which is soluble in the lead bismuth is considered to be a source supply. There are two TIG building parts of the tube ends, removable concentration of the flow compared with the unwielded parts. The tube section in the low temperatures, the tubes were sectioned in the low temperatures. Temperatures were measured in the circulation loop were 400 degrees C at the heater inlet and 450 degrees C at the heater outlet. So we can see this oxygen mapping by VDX, this same image, and this oxygen at the apa ya, image a bigger image in 10 micrometer. So and the specimen tube using 450 degrees C. Okay, color inlet on the temperature, and for the color outlet and suggesting is the use for degree C temperature respectively. The temperature of BB on the drain tank was 350 degrees C. A different flow located into the drain tank was caused during operation. So this tubes cutting into for the inspection after 3 hours test. A inspection was done flows and deposit of PBI. Flows were not found into the surface and of the circulation tubes. Conclusively, the bright substance were not set to the flow in the minimum temperature 40 degrees C. Polycrystal sulfur was found there are surrounded by solidified PBI. The size crystal about the 0.1 to 0.2 millimeter roughly. As the result, the quantitative analyzed deposit crystal in point figure 6 by X-ray ferrochromia were detected at the Y concentration was roughly 9:1. Nickel does not exist in the crystal as shown in figure 11. This crystal solidified PBA internal surface. The respiration was from the lead bismuth, including impurities dissolved from residentially. It found that they are fried still. So this X-ray analyze. This aged by 10% oxalate acid and this unaged. So for the discussion, as the result of conducting the test of 316 Celsius arsenic steel and the flowing lead bismuth, a maximum 0.1 millimeter precision occurs under the condition of 450 degrees C maximum temperature. 100 temperature difference and 1 meter per second flow fluidity during 3,000 hours. The Reynolds number was tested in the tube is nearly 78,000 and flow is turbulent. As far as main flow of the tube was concerned, there is not any factor which will affect the surface condition specimen tube from the point of the fuel fluid condition. We show the cross-section views unused in tube comparison with the used one in figure 5. The surface of intact material had about maximum of 10 millimeter roughness. Figure 10 shows the same operation in the internal surface of the unshaped tube. We saw the surface approximately along the grain borders. And in Stockton correction test was carried under the saturation oxygen concentration condition. PBA was melted into the test piece suspended in the mill. During the test, a uniform correction layer was formed several micrometers in the thickness, but super roughness was not observed. So cylindrical specimen was above of PBA flow the oxygen concentration of 1 until 2 cross 10 power minus 6 percent, and oxide film with a thickness of the 1 micron of less form on austenitic steel 1.4970 equivalent of 316 centimeter under the condition of 1.10 micrometer per second flow velocity and 470 degrees at the hot test section and 300 degrees at the cold test section during the 3,116 hours. Surface roughness was not reported. At GLBL1, the material contact with the lead result was 316. In order to investigate the mass transfer during the test of the 3,000 temperature was different. Of 5 degrees C was maintained of the following foot. This is a value for condition the distance pollution target plan in our facility. So there has a two mechanism consideration on this process. The crystal which separate into the tube at high temperature precipitated in the lower temperature part. Ferrochromium nickel dissolved into the bismuth in the high temperature part and or dissolve of the grain separates from the tube. This crystal circulate in the loop and precipitate in the low temperature part according of different solubility. So mechanism 2 is likely to occur the same crystal contain only ferro and chromium but not nickel. So we can see the report from the Russia EPPA is the value, and therefore the solubility difference of 50 degrees C temperature becomes from this value and this value. Out of this aspect, the chromium increased for more than ferro in the crystal. This different dimensional solubility of nickel lead bismuth, as well as most nickel is still considered to be dissolved into lead bismuth. So, as the result efficiency of bond decrease, we expand the gap flow channel double. Internal deposit of PBA depend in the clan geometry of the Ferenczi stuff. The layer was so thin. The potential plug meeting in not the far as the gap channel was kept. One problem we experienced was the seat and rod in the valve of the rain tank was not closed completely because of the lead oxide addition. So the conclusion, austenitic steel was tested into flying lead bismuth during 3,000 hours and correction material was investigated. Maximum temperature was 450 degrees C. The difference of temperature was 50 degrees C. Flying the velocity was 1 meter per second and the 99.95% argon was used to cover liquid bismuth. The material was evaluated was resistant stainless steel, which received usual heat treatment in the manufacturing process. Consequently, the amount of decoration under the flying lead bismuth were 0.1 millimeter per 3,000 hours. Crystals of the ferrochromium were formed in the tube silver in the low temperature part. The size of crystal is 100 to 200 micrometer. The depositing crystal was varied, and the chemical composition ratio mass of the ferro and chromium is 9 compare 1. Ferro and chromium was melted into the lead bismuth from the 316 in the high temperature part deposit. deposited in the lower temperature according to the differential solubility. So I think this just from me.